Today, in a society that places so much emphasis on youth and vitality, looking the way you feel is foremost on the minds of a generation that sees the face value in the benefits of looking younger. Let's face it, we all want to look younger. Now, answering the challenge from a world that is hungry for an alternative to the downtime, expense, and discomfort of invasive surgical facelifts or injections, Dr. Suzanne Bennett's Puregenics introduces the revolutionary Pure Glow Collagen System. Dr. Suzanne Bennett is a holistic chiropractor and world-renowned specialist in anti-aging, environmental medicine, allergies, clinical nutrition, and detoxification. She founded Puregenics on the philosophy that healthy skin leads to better health by focusing on extraordinary, unique products with therapeutic properties that help nourish the skin, release impurities, and combat aging. It all starts with a mega-potency Pure Glow Collagen Mask that delivers bioactive collagen into the skin to boost the skin's own collagen integrity, to make it tighter, plumper, smoother, and more youthful. Couple this with the Puregenics Pure Glow Intensive Collagen Serum daily, activating and maintaining the body's own collagen production that is naturally lost. The result? Skin plumping and tightening, creating a vital glow like you've never thought possible.
That's the latest trend on the West Coast.
With her 60th birthday at the end of the month, Patsy Haynes was excited to learn her Raleigh dermatologist office is now offering a popular new collagen mask.
We're excited to have something new that is not offered elsewhere. This was formulated so that it will go through the layers of the skin and really help plump up the collagen underneath.
If one does what this did, I can't imagine what 8 treatments would do.
Pure Glow's Type 1 refrigerated collagen of this quality has never before been offered in a topical cosmetic preparation. The Pure Glow product line is doctor approved, all natural and preservative free, and is highly tolerated by individuals with even the most sensitive skin. Perfect for those looking to prevent and repair their skin from aging, sun damage, discolorations, and acne scarring. Pure Glow by Puregenics products are medically engineered with the world's most highly purified atelocollagen, a truly non-immunogenic, biocompatible element in the most active animal source form. The results are dramatic. If you had to guess at what age these two photos were taken, I'm sure you'd agree that the one on the left looks 10 years older than the one on the right. In fact, the first was taken at age 43, the other 45. After using Puregenics Pure Glow Collagen System, you'll experience those fine lines disappearing, reversing the signs of aging. You'll see your skin recovers its elasticity. You'll feel the Pure Glow ionized collagen mass penetrating cells, increasing the strength and tone of loose aged skin tissue. Cell aging is actually delayed by Pure Glow's collagen and hyaluronic acid formula. These ingredients smooth and fill in fine wrinkles in the epidermis and promote cell regeneration in the basal layer of the skin, creating a matrix that holds the dermal cells intact, then helps them migrate up to the surface layer of the skin. The results are dynamic. Visit Dr. Suzanne Bennett's website at puregenics.com and discover for yourself that just because you're getting older doesn't mean you have to show it. Pure Glow by Puregenics is changing the face of skin care forever.